In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Elementor page homepage. Creating a stunning and effective homepage can really transform your website and make it more appealing to visitors. Elementor makes this process both easy and fun, allowing you to design without needing any coding skills. So, let's dive right in and explore how to bring your vision to life with Elementor. First, we need to select the page where we'll be building our home page. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, and once there, click on Pages. From this menu, either choose an existing page or create a new one. Hit the Edit with Elementor button, which will open up the Elementor editor for a more intuitive design experience. Now that we're in the editor, you're going to see a blank canvas in front of you. You can start by choosing a pre-designed template, which can save time and give you a structure to work with. To do this, click on the folder icon to open Elementor's template library. Select Pages and browse the available templates. Choose the one that resonates with your brand vision, and click Insert. This imports the template into your canvas. Remember, you can fully customize any template to suit your needs. Next up, let's start personalizing your newly imported template. Click on any section of the page, and you'll see the editing panel on the left, where you can adjust the text content. You might want to update the header to include your brand name or slogan. Simply click on the text and substitute it with your desired content. Be mindful of font size and color to ensure your text is easily readable and matches your brand aesthetic. With your text in place, it's time to enhance your page with some visuals. Images draw attention and can effectively communicate your message. Go ahead and click on any image within your template to replace it with your own. Click on Choose Image to upload files from your computer or to select one from your media library. Ensure that your images are high quality and relevant to your content, enhancing the visual hierarchy of the page. Moving on to the final touches, pay attention to your page's layout and spacing. Click on the section handle above any section and look at the Style and Advanced tabs in the editing panel. Here, you can make fine-tuned adjustments to your margins, padding, and set background colors or gradients. Balancing these elements will ensure your page looks crisp and professional. Before wrapping up, it's crucial to preview your page on different devices. In the editor, select the responsive mode icon at the bottom to switch views between desktop, tablet, and mobile. This step guarantees your page will be stunning and functional, no matter the device your visitors use. Last but certainly not least, once you're satisfied with your design, click the Publish button to set your stunning new page live for the world to see. And there you have it. You've successfully created a beautiful Elementor page homepage. Now your website will leave a lasting impression on visitors. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!